Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. The binary puzzle in today's newspaper of Monday, July the 15th, 2024. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. And the news of the day, well, 280 days, 82 days ago, another war started, not in Ukraine but in Israel. Still going on. People are suffering there, are hungry, and I believe today there's 90 or more people are killed by the Israeli soldiers. They want to catch the Hamas leader. Yeah, the civilians are killed by the action of them. All right, enough about war. How about the binary puzzle number 8900? Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits. This one has. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. Yeah. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double ones, Double ones, Double ones, Double ones, Double ones, Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here one, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Between two ones comes in O, double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between those comes in one, double one, here no, there no. Between those comes in one. Between those comes in one. Between two ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box will be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Then, let me think. I know between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box will be an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should we know. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double O here, 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Ay, 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 ay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, seems like I need to compare. Question is which row, which column? Almost the same, this one. Almost the same. We have a double O here. No. Come on, come on, come on, come on. O10. We have O10 here. No. Cannot compare this one. Cannot. 5, 5, 5. Ay, 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 ay. Do we have here double O? Yeah. This column and that column. All right. O 1 empty box 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here. This should be a 1. We have 1 here. This should be an O. Double O here. 1 there 1. Double 1. Here no there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finished in 8 minutes. Well, we solve it again. With only 1 comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.